Alright guys, so I'm putting these wheels together for a ripper build that we're doing, and somebody asked me how quickly can I put these together. So we're going to do a little time, find out. Alright, ready, set, go. So what I'm working on is a set of 1.9 OMFs that we got Cerakote bronze. They are for ripper number 90 that we're working on for customer. Putting 5 of these things together. Showed a customer the picture and we got to talking. And it's like, how fast can you put those together? So we'll find out. I'm not using any power tools or anything like that. Just a set of Vanquish hex drivers. My trusty CowRC pit mat. I got the screws separated. So I'm not doing much talking right now, but not doing much else on a Saturday, so figured what the heck. So I got 90 almost complete. We were waiting on these wheels to come in from Cerakote. We're waiting on a shipment of Tekken to come in because we're putting all Tekken power in that truck. So we got that stuff in and we are ready to go. So I'm just buttoning up these wheels, and then I'm going to be putting some Voodoo KLR X4s on these things, and finishing up the wiring on the truck and sending it down the road. So we're sitting at 3 minutes. Just under 3 minutes, so it didn't start right away. But, a little over halfway done, I'd say. Got the front ring in, the back ring screwed to the front ring, and now I'm putting the bead lock ring on. Went with all bronze on these things. Not really my choice, but I would have done a bronze back and then a black inner or front ring, and then the bronze B-lock ring. But we agreed to disagree on that one. And he went with all bronze. That's fine. He's paying for it, so he gets to pick what he wants. If you notice on my mat here, I just got a little piece of tape down. It holds the wheel in place. Make it easier to use both hands on the driver to screw this thing together. and I go through and do every other screw and then go and tighten them down on one half of the ring and spin it around. Do the other half. I don't know. I've done a lot of these, so it's just the system that seems to work for me. This tape really makes a difference though. So it's just a 8-inch section of duct tape, and I fold it over on itself. You could use double-sided tape or something like that, but this works. Alright, got like 8 screws left on here. So stay tuned. Later this afternoon we got sticker sale coming up. So if you want in on that, pay attention. I'll put it on Facebook first. I'll post the link in the comments section. Alright, almost done. 3 left. I don't know, how many bolts is this? 40 something? 50? I think there's 30 in the ring. Another dozen on the front ring. And 4 on the back. 6 more if you count the hub. Alright, time. All done. There she be. A little over 7 minutes, something like that. Not too bad. Alright guys, catch you later.